Hello students, good morning. In previous lecture we solved the exercise 3.1 question number first. Okay, today we solve the question number second and related questions. Okay, now we see that the question is question number second. Question number second. The question number second is that the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically, means graphically. The question is that the coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. First of all, we let the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball, because we have to form the equation with 2 variables. Clear? Now, let cost of 1 bat equal to rupees x. Cost of 1 ball equal to rupees y. First of all, we let the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball. Here, after that we apply the first condition and we form the equation. Condition first. Condition first. Clear? The condition is that the coach buys 3 bats and 6 balls. If the cost of 1 bat is rupees x, then the cost of 3 bats will be 3x. And cost of 1 ball is rupees y, hence cost of 6 ball will be 6y. 3x plus 6y. The total cost of 3 bats and 6 balls are 3,900. Okay. Now, we see that if 3 is common in all the terms, hence we divide 3 1 to 3x plus 3 to the 6, 3 1 to the 3, 3 to the 9, 1,300. This is the first equation. According to first condition. Now, according to second condition, we see that she buys another bat and 3 more balls. According to second condition. Condition second. She buys another bat and 3 more balls. Another bat is here 1 bat. The cost of 1 bat is x, and 3 more balls. The cost of 1 ball is y. Hence, the cost of 3 ball will be 3. And total cost is 1,300. This is equation number second. Means the first part is completed. The first part is completed. The conditions is represented algebraically. Now, the second part is that this condition represents geometrically, means graphically. Now, we form a table for 2 conditions to draw the graph. Okay? Now, the first question is here x plus 2y equal to 1,300. Now, we write the x in terms of y. We can write x equal to 1,300 minus 2y. Now we form the table for the solution of this equation. Here x and y. Okay. We select the value of x, value of y, and we get the value of x. And you are free to select the any value of y. Okay. Or you can represent y in terms of x. It is your choice. Okay. Now we take the value of x. First of all, here we take y equal to 400. If we take y equal to 400, then x will be 1300 minus 2 into 400. X equal to 1300 minus 800. So x equal to 13 minus 500. Means here y equal to 400. So x equal to 500. Okay. Now we select next values. We take y equal to 0. If y equal to 0, then x will be 1300 minus 0. X equal to 1300. Here y is 0, here is 1300. Now we take another. We take y equal to 600. Y equal to 600. So x equal to 1300 minus 2 into 600. X equal to 1300 minus 1200. X equal to 10. Here y is 600. Here x 10. Okay. Now we form table of the values of x and y for second condition. That is x plus 3y equal to 1300. We write x in terms of y, so we write x equal to 1300 minus 3y. Okay. Now we form a table here. X, y. Okay. Now we see. We put y equal to 0, x equal to 1300 minus 3 into 0, x equal to 1300 minus 0, x equal to 1300, 0, 1300. Now we take x equal to y equal to 400, y equal to 400, x equal to 1300 minus 3 into 400, x equal to 1300 minus 1200, x equal to 100. If we take y equal to 400, then we get x equal to 100. Now we take the next values. We take y equal to 300. Then x will be 1300 plus 3 into 300. So x will be 13 minus 900. X equal to 400. Here y 300, x 400. Okay. Now we take a scale. We take a scale that the graph, this graph is an approximate graph. We will draw the graph on graph paper. I am going to make a rough graph you will plot the graph at the graph paper for the correct values. Okay. Now we write pairs of solution. The first pair is 500, 400. Second is 1300, 0. And the next one is 100 and 600. Here the pair is 1300, 0. 100, 400 and 400, 300. Okay. Now we take a scale. 1 unit length on x-axis and y-axis equal to 100. Equal to 100 rupees. क्लियर? अब यहां पर हम क्या करेंगे, इसको लेट कर लेंगे. जो हमारा 1 यूनिट है वो किसके इक्वल है, वो 100 के इक्वल है ना. वी सॉल्व दैट हियर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and here 30. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, 30. Because we have not taken as negative values, the x-axis maximum 13 we take here on y-axis. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 30. Our first one is 500 400. When we divide 500 by 100, then we get 5 units. And when we divide 400 by 100, then we get 4 units. Means on x-axis 5 unit and on y-axis 4 unit. Means something here. This point will here. Okay. After that, we take 30 and 0. 30 and 0 will be here. And after that, we take 106. So 106 means something here. This point will be here, 100 and 600. This point will be here, 500, 400. And this will be 1300 and 0. The line will be straight line. We join these 2 points something like this. This will be written x plus the main equation as our the main equation was 3x plus 6y equal to 1300. 3x plus 6y equal to 1300. Now we take another pair. The another pair is 1300 0. This point will be same. After that 100 and 400. 100 and 400 means 100 400 will be here. Something here. 100 400. And next value is 400 300. So 400 will be here and 300 will be something here. Okay. Now we join this line straight line, something like this. Okay, something like this. You will draw when on the graph, then you will get the clear view of this graph. Okay. In the similar way, you will solve the next questions twice. I will make the equations and find out the values. You will draw the graph by yourself. See the second. The next question is that the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. Let cost of 1 kg apples equal to rupees X. Cost of 1 kg grapes equal to rupees Y. Now we apply the first condition. The first condition is that 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. If the cost of 1 kg is X, then 2 kg will be 2X. Plus, if the cost of 1 kg grapes is Y, then it will be Y. And the total amount to be paid is 160. Okay? This is first question. Second condition. According to second condition, that is 4 kg apples means cost will be 4X and 2 kg grapes means 2Y equal to 300. Okay. Here we see that 2 is common factor, hence we divide it. We get 2X plus Y. So 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, 1 is 50. Okay. Now for the table for the value of X and Y corresponding to given equations. Okay. Here we see that 2X plus Y equal to 160. So Y equal to 160 minus 2X. Now we form the table for values of X and Y. Here we take X equal to 50. When we take X equal to 50, then Y will be 160 minus 2 into 50. So Y equal to 160 minus 100. So Y equal to 60. Matlab we get here 50 and 60. Okay. Now we take X equal to 0. When X equal to 0, so Y will be 160 minus 0. So Y will be here 160. Means X 0, Y 160. Here. Now we take X equal to 80. X equal to 80. Now we get Y equal to 160 minus 2 into 80, or Y equal to 160 minus 160, so Y equal to 0. Means when X equal to 80, Y equal to 0. Okay. Now we form the graph. We form the table of the values for second equation. Second equation is 2X plus Y equal to 150. Okay, so y equal to 150 minus 2. We forget here x y. Clear? Now we take x equal to 0. So y equal to 150 minus 2 into 0. Y equal to 150. Here x 0, y 150. We take x equal to 75. When we take x equal to 75, we get y equal to 150 minus 2 into 75. So y equal to 150 minus 150, y equal to 0. Means when x 75, y 0. Okay. Now we take the another values. We take x equal to 50. So y equal to 150 minus 2 into 50. So y equal to 150 minus 100. So y equal to 50. Okay. Here 50 and here also 50. Now we draw the graph for this. We see that. First of all, we write the pairs 50 60, 0 160 and 80 0. Clear? And here the pair will be 0 150, 75 0 and 50 and 50. We take a scale because these values will be very large. Hence, we take a scale that given unit one unit on x and y axis is equal to 10. क्या कर रहे हैं कि जो 1 यूनिट लेंथ होगी इस पे वो 10 के इक्वल होगी. हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Okay. Now on this here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and here 16 and this is y. Okay. First of all we put 50 60, then 5 by 50, then 60 means here 5, here 6. This point will be something here. It will be then 50 60. Now the second is 0 160, 0 here 160 here. It will be then 0 160. Okay. Now the last one is 80 80 80 0. So 80 0 is 8 here 80 0. Okay. Now we join these two points something like this. Okay. And we draw a second. We see that in first 0 150 0 150. 0 150 means here this will be 0 150. Okay. Now the second one is 75 0. 75 means 7 unit and half. This will be something here. Okay. And the next value is 50 50. Clear? 50 50 means 5 unit 5 unit. something here. You will join all these points. Something here, something like this. Okay. You will draw this type of graph on the lines and you will represent it as graphically. In next video, we will discuss graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. Okay. Thank you.